This is a restoration portfolio that demonstrates work in remastering or editing music for improved clarity. First is an interview tape of a deceased family member about their experiences during World War II. Disc copies were provided to our family with no processing applied. The original recording was at some point encoded with mid-side format audio. I worked to enhance the clarity, conduct what noise removal I could without compromising quality, and improve the overall sound of these files. You will first hear the original audio, followed by the audio decoded, followed by my processing of the audio contents.
Any retribution on the Americans?
No.
No. What I was saying was, were you, when you were in Syria, following what was happening in the desert? Any retribution on the Americans?
No.
No. What I was saying was, were you, when you were in Syria, following what was happening in the desert?
Next is a focus on remastering existing audio. The following performances are of Seven, a live-to-air broadcast by Radioactive FM in Wellington during 1998. The performance was stored to data tape and recovered from the Alex Turnbull library. The original audio was in mono, so I also used multiband processing to achieve a perception of increased spaciousness. For each track, you will first hear a sample of the original Radioactive recording, followed by my personal remaster.